Looking for a fast, secure, and reliable way to send money across the globe? Whether you're helping family overseas or paying for services, MoneyGram Send Money online services have made global remittance simple. You can send money with the MoneyGram app directly to a bank account or in cash, all from the comfort of your home. Wondering how to send money with the MoneyGram app? It's easy. Just download the MoneyGram app on your Android or iOS device, sign up or log in, and follow a few simple steps. Choose your receiver's country, enter the amount, and pick the delivery method, whether it's a bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Pay using your debit card, credit card, or bank account. And that's it. Money on its way in minutes. Need to find a MoneyGram near me? Visit www.moneygram.com and click on the Find a Location option. Just enter your city or zip code and you'll get a list of nearby agents, including their hours and services offered. This is especially useful when the receiver prefers a cash pickup. Sending MoneyGram to a bank account is, honestly, one of the most efficient ways to transfer funds. Just choose bank account as your delivery method, enter the recipient's bank details carefully, and your money will be securely deposited. What's more, the MoneyGram customer care team is always ready to help. You can call them at 1-800-666-3947 in the USA or visit their help center for support regarding fees, exchange rates, or maybe even tracking your transfer. With over 200 countries and territories covered, MoneyGram continues to be a top choice for money transfers. Plus, your first online transfer often comes with discounted fees. So whether you're searching for MoneyGram near me or figuring out how to send money online with MoneyGram, everything is just a click away.